Hello, my name is Hannah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a new assignment and how to use the gradebook. So first of all, to create a new assignment, click on the blue button, New Assignment. So then here you want to have the title of the assignment. So for example, in the Algebra 2 class, students used to research about parabolas. So now this is where I want them to turn it in, besides just showing the class, so that you, the teacher, can view every single assignment and picture that of the map that each student did. So I'm going to title it using parabolas in the real world. Description: post your map. Due date, let's say December 4th. And then EduCoins for completing. So EduCoins aren't an actual currency. They're right now they're not worth anything, but it's just to encourage students to compete for learning and helping each other. So the standard is 0.5 EduCoins. You can change this here, but I will keep it as 0.5 EduCoins. And then create the assignment by clicking this blue button. So then you'll see all your students here. So far I only have 2 students. And then you'll see that this student did not submit it yet, but you would be able to grade it.